So we've already loaded our image on Photoshop. So next is creating the nighttime effect on the image. And we'll be going to various selections under the adjustment layer to reduce the brightness, level, and even the hue and saturation till we get our desired nighttime effect. Care should be taken though when you try to reduce your lighting. Try to make sure you can still see the character, the girl in the picture, so the darkness does not just overshadow everything. So be subtle. So when we are done creating and we're satisfied, we hide the new effect layers. Then we go to our pen tool. Select the pen tool to draw out the areas you want to glow in the image, like the headband, the glasses, the earrings, just areas you want to glow. But as you're selecting each area, you create a new layer for it. You do that by pressing Ctrl J. Then you rename it. So for example, I renamed my gum area as gum, my headband as headband, basically. Okay, so next you want to do is bring this layer to the front. Now we have our glow in the dark effect, but we're still going to be working more on it. So we're going to be drawing or painting over each of these layers, but if we just paint randomly on the layers, it's going to be all over the place. It's be hard to control the spread. So instead we create a new layer for that, just above each of the, like on the band now, yes. Then we press our Alt key to make it just relative to the bottom layer, so it doesn't spread, it's contained within the bottom layer. So we do the same for the earrings and the other glow in the dark layers. If you notice, sticking to the original color isn't really enough, so we make it kind of brighter than the actual color when picking a color using our color picker tool, just so we have the glow in the dark effect. It shines very bright. And also be mindful of your opacity and your flow too. I'm using a flow of 5%, and I use it so I can easily control the extent or the strength of the shading, so it isn't too much or too small. And then also make sure areas close to the source of light is brighter than areas far away. It reduces as you move away from the light. So these are things you just you should consider while shading the skin to make it look realistic. as I said earlier, areas closer to the source of light should have received more light than areas far away. And also feel free to experiment when you are shading. I mean, just try it out. If it doesn't work, you can always press your Ctrl Z, right? I mean, some things are best learned from experience and mistakes. So I've seen a mistake I've made, so I'm going to correct myself soon. But for now, keep going. So now we go to our cheek and down to our neck. So I kind of went overboard with applying the brightness to surrounding layer, I mean the wall. So I'm trying to reduce it, just reduce the brightness a bit. So I changed my color from white to black. So this will help me reverse the effect on the wall. So areas I'm not satisfied with, you just paint or shade over it, and yeah, you get it. You get what you want to see. So yeah, we're gonna be creating reflection on the nose, the glasses, the frame rather, even the forehead. So you see, there isn't really much to it after you've brought the selected areas to the front. You just retouch it, slight shading and all. Basically, that's all there is to um, creating a glow effect in the dark, especially when it has to do with your clothes. So please don't forget to subscribe, and please check out other videos in the playlist. Thank you very much, and it's been my pleasure.